Welcome to another ABS online video. Come and talk with us. Lots of questions this week. No special sound? Well, the questions do start with the same letters. Okay, so what are the words? You just said one. Here they are. What? Where? When? Why? Who? What? This asks about a thing. Where? This asks about a place. When? This asks about a time. Why? This asks about a reason. Who? This asks about a person. Now, let's use them. What is the yellow fruit called? Do you know? Where does the teacher sit? Have you got an answer? When do we eat lunch? I want to know that. Why is she sad? Oh, I don't know. Who is the fastest runner? I think I know that one. When we give an answer, it can be short. What is the yellow fruit called? Banana. That's the right answer. It's a very short answer. Or long. What is the yellow fruit called? The yellow fruit is a banana. That's a long answer, isn't it? They're both correct. Short and long. Sometimes we can't answer the question. That is okay. It's good to ask questions, but maybe we just don't know the answer. Who lives in a rainbow? I don't know. Great question. What do clouds taste like? Oh, well, I don't know. Where do lost socks go when they disappear? Well, I don't know. When did mosquitoes start to enjoy eating us? I don't know. Why do we laugh when something is funny? I don't know. Those questions had no answers. Now, you have to use the right question word. Look at the question and think, which question word should we put in? Is that animal called? Well, that's a thing. So here we should use the word what. What is that animal called? Do I put my dirty plate? Well, I think he wants to know a place. So we use the word where. Where do I put my dirty plate? Has not finished the work. Well, I think we're asking about a person there. So we should use the word who. Who has not finished the work? Does summer start? Well, I think here we need to know about the time. So we're going to use the word when. When does summer start? Are you wet? Well, here we want to know the reason. So we should use the word why. Why are you wet? Questions are a great way to learn. Don't be shy. Ask, and ask some more. 5 great words today. Do you remember them? Who? What? Where? When? Why? 5 really super words. And do you know what we always say? Use the words today. Don't let them slip away. Go and ask some questions. Bye now. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe and help us grow and grow.